Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Joynoini Sangher, 32 years old,
Okay. Why do you want to work as a domestic helper?
because I want to help my family and support my siblings and my children.
How are you qualified for this job?
Because I am hardworking, honest, disciplined person.
May I know what is your educational level?
I am high school graduate.
Have you worked abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your recent working experience?
So my recent working experience is do household.
Your last job?
Um, in Saudi Arabia.
What is your job in Saudi Arabia?
I do household like wash the clothes, washing the dishes, cooking, and ironing.
Currently, are you still working?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any serious injury or illness?
No, ma'am.
Are you taking any medication or any vitamins?
No, ma'am.
Is all your child normal delivery or C-section?
Normal delivery, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dish?
I know how to cook Arabic food like sambusa, kabsa, waragaynap, and lugaynap.
Aside from Arabic food?
Filipino food. I know
And?
how to cook and Chinese food
Okay.
also.
Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to sewing machine and gardening also.
Okay. Do you have any experience of taking care of the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have experience taking care of the elderly?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to do.
Okay. So for the taking care of the baby, whose children you taking care of before?
My baby and my recent baby's employer.
Okay. Who are you willing to work with any race employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work where the employer, where the parent or parent-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have to do all the housework, including gardening and car washing?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
I have two kids.
Are you legally married?
No, ma'am.
Are you part of the LGBT?
No, ma'am.
When your baby was born, who take care of them?
My mother and my siblings.
Who will take care of your kids if you will work abroad?
My mother and my siblings also.
You are not allowed to use hand phone during working hours. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
No friends and relatives can come in the employer's house. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You strictly need to surrender your phone to your employer in the morning and you will return back to them once your work is done.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you misuse the handphone policy, employer will confiscate your phone and you're only allowed to call 4 times in a month only. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand the rules and regulation of the handphone policy?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not allowed to use makeup or wear sexy clothes. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee when you apply the job in the Philippine agency?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any allergy to food or any seafoods or any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pets?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any friends and relatives here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
How many years are you planning to work in Malaysia?
I will planning to work in Malaysia is 2 years.
But if your employer still want you, are you willing to renew?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you taken your vaccination and booster?
Yes, ma'am.
What dose?
Johnson.
Have you infected by COVID or Omicron before?
No, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have a day off, but you're not allowed to go out? You will rest inside the employer's house only.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you undergo any surgery before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any sickness like high blood pressure, thyroid, asthma, or diabetes or anything?
No, ma'am.
Are you wearing eyeglasses?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any problem in hearing?
No, ma'am.
Have you met any accident before, like broken leg or arm or any metal in the body?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand and agree that we will upload your video recording in our website?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer is watching you right now, what you want to tell them?
Good day, mom and sir. If you choose me, I will do my best, and I will. You never will disappoint me because I am hardworking, honest, and disciplined person, and also I have experience as a domestic helper. Mom, good day and thank you.
Okay, Joy Noe. So once we have the client for you or we have employer, we will inform the Philippine agency or we will directly call you. Okay?
Okay, mom.
Okay, thank you for your
Okay,
time.
thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.